My house was robbed. Hey, did you have a good weekend? No, not really. I'm sorry to hear that. What happened? During the weekends, my house was robbed. Your house was robbed. What do you mean? I mean, I was not there and someone came and took everything from my house. Someone took everything from your house. That's terrible. Terrible. Yes, I think so. Did they break anything? Yes, they break cars window to get in. Did they take your televisions? Yes, they took our televisions. Did they take the DVD player? Yes, they took the DVD player. Did they take your laptop? Yes, they took the laptop. Did they take your clothes? Yes, they. No, they did not take my clothes. That is because your clothes are good out of fashion. Do you really think my clothes are old fashioned? Yes, I do. They are very old. Oh, that is terrible. First, my house gets robbed, and now my clothes are old fashioned. This is the police that the house was robbed. Yes, I told the police. What did they say? What did they say? They just say much. They start to go report.